Before the sun touches the sea, before the tide dares rise, the deep stirs, silent, ancient, watching. Beneath the surface lies a world untouched by time, ruled by shadows that glide with purpose, shaped by evolution and misunderstood by myth. This is the dominion of the shark. Sharks have roamed the oceans for over 400 million years. Older than dinosaurs, older than trees. With bodies built for precision and survival, they are a triumph of nature's design. Sleek, hydrodynamic, relentless, every fin, every tooth, every movement, engineered for the chase. For too long, sharks have been unfairly portrayed in film as mindless monsters, lurking in the depths, waiting to strike. They've been hunted as villains, demonized for simply existing, and feared as soulless killers, devoid of any purpose beyond destruction. But the truth, as it so often does, is far more complex, nuanced, and ultimately, far more fascinating. The reality of these creatures is a far cry from the Hollywood caricature. Sharks do not lurk in the shadows with the sole intention of hunting humans. That's a myth perpetuated by fear and misunderstanding. Their role is far grander, far more vital. They are, in fact, the guardians of the ocean's delicate balance, the apex predators that play a crucial role in keeping marine life in check and ensuring that ecosystems remain healthy and alive. They are the keystone species that hold the entire structure together. Without them, the ocean would be a very different and far less vibrant place. Every single role in the vast and intricate tapestry of the ocean is woven with delicate threads, each dependent on the other. And sharks, with their predatory prowess and essential function, are the master weavers of control, ensuring the strength and resilience of the entire ecosystem. By hunting the sick, the slow, and the weak, they prevent the spread of disease, control populations, and ultimately, strengthen the many, ensuring the overall health and vitality of the marine environment. They do not kill for chaos or senseless destruction. Their hunting is not driven by malice, but by instinct and necessity. They hunt with purpose, with a clear and vital role to play in the grand scheme of things, shaping the food chain with every calculated strike, ensuring that resources are managed effectively, and that the delicate balance of the ocean is maintained for generations to come. Their actions are not random acts of violence, but carefully orchestrated movements in a complex dance of life and death. Sharks are more than instinct. They problem solve, they learn, they navigate thousands of miles using magnetic fields. They work together, showing patterns that hint at cooperation, strategy, even curiosity. There is no single shark. There are over 500 species, from the gentle giants to the elusive phantoms of the abyss. Even these titans, apex predators of the ocean, begin life incredibly small, no bigger than a human hand. Their journey starts in hidden nurseries, sheltered havens within the vast ocean. Here, in the relative safety of these locations, female sharks give birth and then vanish back into the deep. There are no lullabies sung to them, no mothers stay behind to nurture or protect. It's a solitary beginning, a stark introduction to the unforgiving reality of the marine world. The cycle of life begins with an abrupt departure, leaving the young to face the world on their own. From their very first breath of salt water, these vulnerable pups must immediately fend for themselves. They must learn to hunt, evade predators, and navigate the complex currents of their environment. They must fight for every meal, every inch of territory, and ultimately, for their very survival. They must flourish against all odds, alone in a world teeming with danger. Their instincts are their only guide, their resilience their greatest weapon. This early independence shapes them, forging them into the formidable creatures they are destined to become. It's a trial by fire, a baptism in the harsh realities of the ocean, and yet for all their inherent power, their vital role in the ecosystem, sharks are vanishing at an alarming rate. Tens of millions are needlessly killed each year, a devastating loss that echoes through the ocean's delicate web of life. This isn't a matter of natural selection or the food chain. It's not for survival, but for the insatiable demands of human greed. They are hunted for their fins, prized as trophies and demonized out of irrational fear. This relentless persecution is pushing these ancient creatures to the brink of extinction, threatening to unravel the intricate balance of the marine world. The ocean mourns in silence, a profound loss felt in the absence of these keystone predators. Its delicate balance is disrupted with every finless body sinking to the dark abyss, a grim testament to human indifference. The vibrant coral reefs, once teeming with life, now stand as ghostly reminders of what has been lost. The silence is deafening, a stark warning of the consequences of our actions. We must act now before it's too late to protect these magnificent creatures and restore harmony to the ocean's depths. But the tide can turn. For too long, sharks have been victims of misunderstanding and fear, their numbers dwindling in the face of human activity. But a new chapter is being written, one of hope and restoration. Scientists, divers, activists, people who see the shark not as a monster lurking in the depths but as a marvel of evolution, a vital component of a healthy ocean ecosystem, are rising to meet the challenge. They are driven by a deep respect for these ancient creatures and a commitment to ensuring their survival. Their work is a testament to the power of knowledge and compassion in the face of ignorance and fear. Marine sanctuaries are expanding, offering safe havens where sharks can thrive, free from the threat of fishing and habitat destruction. These protected areas are not just beneficial for sharks, they also serve as nurseries for countless other marine species, creating vibrant and resilient ecosystems. Public perceptions are shifting, as documentaries, educational programs, and first-hand encounters reveal the true nature of these magnificent animals. Awareness grows, one story, one image, one heartbeat at a time. Each shared experience, each scientific discovery, each act of conservation contributes to a growing understanding of the crucial role sharks play in maintaining the health of our oceans. We are beginning to see them not as villains but as vital members of the marine community. They were here long before us, navigating the oceans for hundreds of millions of years, evolving into the diverse and fascinating creatures we see today. They may outlast us, their resilience a testament to their evolutionary success. But while we share the ocean, this vast and interconnected realm that sustains all life on Earth, let us share the truth. Sharks are not the enemy. They are elegance in motion, their sleek bodies perfectly adapted for life beneath the waves. Power with restraint, their strength tempered by an innate understanding of their place in the ecosystem. They are apex predators, yes, but they are also essential regulators, keeping populations in balance and ensuring the health of the marine food web. A memory of the Earth's wild soul, a connection to a time when the oceans were truly wild and untamed. They are swimming in the silence beneath the waves, carrying with them the secrets of the deep, the wisdom of ages. Their presence is a reminder of the power and mystery of the natural world, a call to protect the fragile ecosystems that sustain us all, from shadow to signal, from fear to wonder. This is the WildSignal, a beacon of hope for the future of our planet. And these are the sharks, silent kings of the blue, guardians of the reef, symbols of resilience and grace. May we learn to see them not as threats, but as treasures, and work together to ensure their survival for generations to come.